Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, a lot of you no doubt would have seen the viral video of a lady that was flogging some young boy to the point that she then eventually locked him in some pen where they usually keep dogs. So this video went viral about a week or two ago, and there's been a search, a hunt for this woman ever since. So it looks as though this woman has been found. So with that, I bring you this. I locked him in a dog cage because he broke my side mirror. Woman in viral video found. So that's the headline. I locked him in a dog cage because he broke my side mirror, and this is what the woman is giving as a reason for what we all saw in that video. So let's get into the details of it. 24-year-old Y0UTH Mbadike, pictured above, who was arrested by men of the Lagos State Police Command over the viral video showing her assaulting a 10-year-old boy, Chibike Ezimeka, has said that she meted out the unjust treatment on the little boy because he smashed the side mirror of a car with a stone. Spokesman of the state police, Bala Alkana, said this in a statement he released today, August 15, confirming her arrest. According to Bala, the little boy, who is an orphan, was brought to Lagos by Y0UTH's mother, who is his aunt. The 24-year-old told the police that she assaulted the boy, who is her cousin, and locked him in a cage because he was misbehaving. So below is a statement from Bala, the policeman. On the 14th of August 2019, a team of detectives from the Gender Unit, Command Headquarters Lagos, Ikeja, arrested one Y0UTH Mbadike, female 24 years old, of number 7 Trinell Street, Aguda, for assault and child abuse. This followed a viral video on social media showing the suspect torturing one Chibike Ezimeka, male 10 years old, of same address. The video also showed the suspect locking the boy up in a dog's kennel, sharing space with dogs. The video was widely condemned by well-meaning Nigerians. The Commissioner of Police for Lagos State, CP Zabiaru Mauzu, so apparently an Hausa man is again the Commissioner of Police for Lagos State, as this seems to repeat in every other state in Nigeria, but we leave that for another video. Ordered the Gender Unit of the command to identify the woman in the video, rescue the child, and make the suspect face the full weight of the law. Domestic and Sexual Response Team, Alausa Ikeja, also added its voice to the call for investigation with a petition addressed to the Commissioner of Police to that effect. The Gender Unit traced the suspect to Chomp Liquor Store, Surulere, and her residence at Aguda. The 10-year-old boy was rescued and taken to a secured shelter. The suspect admitted that she is the one on the viral video flogging the child with the belt, but she denied locking the survivor in a cage with dogs. She insisted she only locked him in an empty dog kennel where bags were kept. She claimed to have locked the boy up for a few hours before bringing him out. She alleged that the boy took a hot drink in their refrigerator and was misbehaving, that the suspect smashed the side mirror of a Toyota Camry with a stone, which made her detain him in the dog kennel. Investigations revealed that the survivor lost his parents and was brought to Lagos from Anambra State by the mother of the suspect alongside his two siblings. The suspect and the survivors are cousins. The suspect's mother is the elder sister of the survivor's father. The suspect will be charged to court. The command reiterated its commitment towards protecting the rights of children and other vulnerable members of society from all forms of violence and abuse. So there you have it. This woman has been found. So that's well done to all the people pushing for this. The only downside in this storyline is my own discovery that yet again is actually Malam, that is the commissioner of police for Lagos State. Now this is not just something that sits easy with me at all, because this seems to repeat. Go to any state of the federation and Malam is in charge. Would you have a Yoruba man in charge of the policing in Katsina? That would never happen. Would you have an Igbo man in charge of the policing in Kano? That will never happen. But apparently they can put Malami in charge to come and supervise us, and we all know what that means. What they really said is that, look, we are holding you people at gunpoint, and do not make any mistakes that you are subordinate to us, because anybody who is of the view that we are not subordinate to the Malamis in that country, that person is just deceiving himself. So that's just an aside to the main story of this particular video. But the storyline really is that this woman has now been caught, and what is now emerging. So the first thing that struck me is how young she is, and you see that she's young and she's not bad looking. So obviously she would have men toasting her. So then of course the men that are toasting her now would already know what they are likely to marry into. So the level of brutality. So this is the sort of person that can put something in the husband's food if she feels that the husband is treating her badly. Because of course if you saw the level of brutality that she dished out to that child, then I mean she's only 24. So where is she learning this culture from is really something that baffles me, because even people of my generation, we would balk at that. This is something that our father and our father's father used to do. Even my own father was not like that, because of course he was an educated man. But this is something that is like is almost like a throwback to the 4 years where you just do all this random. How would a 24-year-old treat a 10-year-old boy like that? There's only 14 years difference between them. Look at how she treated that boy. So now the police have caught up with her, so good, and really, but the punishment should fit the crime though. This is not something that they should then go and brutalize her. You can't use brutality to punish brutality. So she should not be brutalized, but she should be, if they have some sort of community service in Nigeria, then she should be made to serve some form of community service, and she should be made to sit some sort of classes and lessons to learn conduct and how to treat people, etc. And if she has to serve a short prison term, then she has to serve a short prison term. But she's a 24-year-old young lady, so there's no real reason to destroy her life off the back of this. So if she's able to take the learning from this, and if we can use her as a beacon to translate and transmit this lesson to the whole of the generality of the Lagos space and the Nigerian entity by extension, to say that, look, this sort of behavior is not permissible anymore, and it's not the future direction that we want to follow, and we will not allow, and we cannot allow people to be treated like this. So we can use her as that test case to transmit this lesson to other people. But we can't just say, oh, go and lock her up and go and brutalize her. So brutalizing her is really carrying on the same thing, because if we treat her in the same way that she's treated that young child, then no lesson has been learned and no good has come out of it, because you've effectively just done exactly the same thing that you're condemning her for. So now, to be managed carefully is what I am recommending for this case, and to be used as a test case to send a signal to the rest of society that there's a paradigm shift now in the mindset and acceptabilities and the norms and moralities of society, and then we can use this now to drum that lesson into people. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. This young Igbo lady, what she has done is what we are discussing. So come tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. But before you come share those thoughts with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come share thoughts with me in the comment section around this. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.